comet has unexpectedly shed more than 30 large meteors and asteroids. One of these asteroids has just destroyed the unmanned Omega space station, and along with it, our planet's defense system. The remaining space rocks are on course to shower into Earth in the next few hours. Brave volunteers are already on their way to Blast Force Earth Base at the Milky Way. Once they're there, they'll receive training from the Blast Force team before piloting cyber scooters on a mission to destroy the asteroids and meteors. Good luck, Blast Force. Planet Earth needs you.
Hi guys, Ziggy here. Welcome to Earth Base 0, and congratulations on being selected for Blast Force training. Once this video is complete, you'll be a full member of Blast Force and ready to help in my fun quest to save planet Earth. On this mission, you'll be piloting a two-person cyber scooter. It's powered by cerulean boosters and equipped with twin blastoid lasers. These lasers will destroy asteroids and meteors before they enter Earth's atmosphere. The Blast Force team will help you board your vehicle. Smaller pilots, please sit at the front. Please note that pilots under 1.2 meters must be accompanied by an adult, and that the combined weight limit for both passengers is 23 stones per car. If you're seated in the front of the cyber scooter, you'll find the blastoid laser in a holder directly in front of you. If you're in the back, you'll find it to your right. Place your hand inside the strap across the back of the blastoid. To shoot, hold out the laser and point it at your target. Just press down the button on top to fire. For recruits with smaller hands, it might be easier to use your other hand to press the button and fire the laser. You'll find fun and useful controls and comms buttons for your vehicle on the left of the front panel. Your mission is to hit as many of the incoming asteroids and meteors as possible and return to Earth Base 0. Please remain seated on your cyber scooter throughout your mission. Your Blast Force training is over. Good luck and have fun. I know you can do it.